Good morning or afternoon, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. As you can see on the screen, our topic presentation is analysis of the Cisadane River Fault, Rumpin area, Bogor Regency, West Java Province. And the author is myself, Rafael Holisius Danet, and my lecturer, Mrs. Novi Triani. And we are from Geological Engineering Department, Trisakti University. The background is field data collection activities such as geological structure and outcrops can be additional evidence of presumption data from previous studies taken based on gravity data. With this data, the study can be one of the essential consideration in developing good urban spatial planning and geological disaster mitigation in Rumpin area. Our research area is in Cicangkal village, Rumpin district, Bogor Regency, West Java province. And the area of our research area is 20 square meters. When viewed, when viewed from the satellite photo, there is an ancient main river flow where the water flow has moved to the east to become a river that we know now as the Cisadane River. Therefore, we're suspect that there is a geological structure work on it. The research method is carried out by integrating field data analysis with remote sensing analysis, alignment extraction, and gravity data. Residual anomaly gravity data were obtained from previous research conducted by Nuriana 2018. Measurements were carried out on 120 points in the middle area of the Cisadane watershed. The residual anomaly map showed a low anomaly indicated in a blue and light green color associated with a low density rock of quarter age. The high anomaly is indicated by yellow and pink colors, which are associated with high density rock, which is thought to be of tertiary age. That in the area, the significant change in the value of the anomaly is controlled by structural fault structure of tertiary age. The next is a traverse map. Outcrops were found in a clastic limestone belonging to the Bojang Formation, located along the Cisadane River, and were also found the andesite intrusion, which is belong to the Sunda Manik member. Outcrops located on Mount Nunjung and the Mount Munara over here. Based on SteriNet data analysis from the 30 observation location has an emphasized direction that is dominated by north-south direction. In the northern part of the study area, there are 3 anticlines. For the distribution pattern assisted by alignment extraction due to the loose topography and the flat contours. This is the alignment map. Based on the result of alignment extraction, the anticline has a northwest-southeast distribution. For the retraction of the strike slip fault based on the residual anomaly overlay made by Noriana 2018. So here's the anticline, the 3 anticlines, and here's the strike slip dextral fault. Based on the analysis of the data that has been described, I made a geological map that was correlated with the regional geological map of Jakarta and Kepulauan Seribu by Turkandi 1992. Based on our interpretation, the geological history has occurred in the study area began with the deposition of the Bojong Manik Formation at the beginning of the Miocene. Then it was faulted in a northwest-southeast direction based on Oriana 2018, which formed an Antiquan fault in the middle Miocene to the late Miocene. Erosion and weathering occurred in the early Pliocene, and the Genteng Formation rock was deposited at the same age. Because it forms an angle, because of that, it forms an angular unconformity. During the Pleistocene era, the dominant erosion and weathering occurred again. Then alluvial fans were deposited and the andesite rock intruded. After that, during the Holocene, alluvium was deposited. Okay. Based on the data above, we interpret that research area to be an Anselon fault based on the concept model of right strike slip fault by Biddle and Crystal Blake, 1985. The conclusion, the results show that the dextral strike slip fault influenced the study area with a relatively northwest-southeast trend with an Anselon fault. The structure occur in the middle Miocene age rocks covered horizontally by quaternary rocks and sediment in the study area and affect the development of the Cisadane watershed. This study can be one of the essential considerations in developing good urban spatial planning and geological disaster mitigation in the Rumpin. Now we are at the end of the presentation. Thank you for watching, and sorry if there is a misunderstanding in my explanation. See you at another event.